All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do some more condensing, but we're going to also include the power rule in here. So ln of x plus 1/3 ln to the x plus 5. So ln is going to be, I'm going to write 1 ln, and they're adding. So what does that mean I'm going to do? I'm going to multiply. So it'll be x times. Remember, this is the exponent. It's be x plus 5 to the 1/3. Now you could leave it like that because this is technically right. Now, you know the 1/3 is equal to, I'm going to write this underneath here. I don't have room to write that out. 1/3 is equal to the cube root. So you could also write it like this. So if it's a multiple choice in a test, it might show up, this might show up as the answer versus that. But both of these are right. So this or this. See, this or this, either one. Okay. That's a cube root. I know it look like a cube, but it's a cube root. All right, next, we're going to write down 1 log. It's subtracting, so I'm going to divide. What's on top? It's x minus 3, that whole expression. There's a number 2 in front, so that means it's going to be that power squared. It's going to be that expression squared. Minus log of x, so that means x is going to be on the bottom. And so that'll be my solution. Next one, we have log base b. All right, so we got log base b. I'm going to write that once. And I've got subtraction going on, so I'm going to divide. And so x to the 1/4 is on top. So it'd be x, and then that's the exponent. On the bottom, what do I have? Well, anything that's subtracting goes in the bottom. Anything that's subtracting goes in the bottom. So this is going to go on the bottom. It's going to be 5 squared. This is going to go on the bottom. It'd be y to the 10th. Okay. Now you could simplify this a little bit. That's technically right. Remember, the 1/4 power would be the fourth root of x, because x would have an exponent of 1, and then this denominator tells you the root. 5 squared is 25, and then y to the 10th. So that's a little bit more simplified version of that.